The hot water enters each power generation unit. In this binary system, the well water does not come in contact with the turbine, but rather its heat is transferred to a secondary working fluid as it passes through the coils in the heat exchange tank. Because the working fluid has a boiling point much lower than water, the fluid flashes to vapor quickly and moves upward, passing through the turbine. Pressure from the vapor spins the turbines, which in turn spins the electric generator. Each unit can generate about 280 kilowatts of power. After leaving the turbine, the vapor moves upward into the condenser tank. Here, cooling water enters the condenser from the cooling towers and circulates through coils in the condenser tank and cools the vapor, allowing it to condense back into a fluid The working fluid now flows down the tank outlet to the pump, where it is repressurized and injected back into the heat exchange tank to repeat the process. It is important to note that the three fluid systems of hot well water, cooling water from the cooling tower, and system working fluid remain in their own separate loops and never mix, so there is no contamination and no emissions. Many of the parts used to construct PureCycle units are off-the-shelf parts from HVAC systems manufactured by Pratt & Whitney's sister division, Carrier. Although a new application, PureCycle units are based on very stable technology used for many years in many parts of the world. Generating power from PureCycle power systems is not just a concept, but has been successfully deployed at many sites around the globe, including Chena Hot Springs in Alaska, where two systems deliver about 400 kilowatt of net power.
And right now we have about right at 160 degrees. 200 kW, this is enough electricity to run 200 homes.
Today, Carl has 3 geothermal power generators on his property. Together, the units provide enough electricity to power and feed the entire resort year-round.
The system is also deployed at a textile factory in Guatemala, where heat from the cooling water jacket of a reciprocating engine is harnessed for conversion to electricity using the PureCycle power system. One of the most remarkable things about this technology is its modularity. It can be scaled to take maximum advantage of individual heat resources. It can range from just 1 or 2 units, like the 2 units located at Burgett Greenhouses in New Mexico, all the way up to a network of 50 units generating 10 megawatt, like the new Hatch geothermal power plant just built in Thermo, Utah, and 8 more in development by Razor Technologies. Setting up a power generation network of PureCycle units like the one seen here requires greater complexity than setting up a single unit, but the underlying modular technology provides the flexibility to add more PureCycle units and scale the power plant to match the resource. By combining Pratt & Whitney's PureCycle technology with Razor's innovative modular power plant design, the success of the world's first modular geothermal power plant in Thermo, Utah could be replicated and implemented rapidly to meet the world's growing demand for clean, renewable energy. Pratt & Whitney Power Systems PureCycle Power System, the future of clean power.